Now I'm going to walk you through how to set up the YouTube banner art. And there are a ton of videos in YouTube on how to do this, and there are multiple photo editing tools that you can use. But right now I just want you to see how it can be done. And it's just going to be a basic picture, whatever I get from any of these tools, that's what I will be uploading, but it's only for your reference. So just get an idea and then go on your own and find the best picture for your YouTube channel. So what I'm talking about, like right now we have this channel, we have a profile picture, but it's empty. We want our channel to have the banner art, and that's this image here. Now this is very tricky to do because depending on the screen size, it will show more or less. So for example, if you see when I made this image, there's like a cut here with some black background. That's because this screen size displays this extra picture area, whereas on a phone you only see this picture that it's inside. It more or less goes up to here. So when you go to my channel on a phone, you will see this image. Now on this screen you see this extra black area, and if you go to a TV, for example, you will get the much larger image. And this is the sizing that YouTube goes by. You want your image to be in this safe area, this pink magenta type color. And as you can see on my computer screen, this extra section of white is what you're seeing on mine, because I added a big image as the background, just to cover everything else, basically the yellow, the gray, and the white, while keeping this section inside to fit within this small section. And I think I have another picture here. See, this is a safe area. You want your image to be here so that it displays correctly on cell phones. So just again, let me revert back to the channel we created, because I just wanted to show you that art. Now we come back to this is the channel we created, and in order to add that image, we're going to come here to customize channel, and we're going to be uploading it here. Now see how they have a minimum size, and it has to be less than 6 megabytes. Now again, I'm going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to go back to the same conversation I was having where I generated this image, because ChatGPT already knows what I'm doing with my channel and also helped me edit this image for this YouTube channel. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to let you read through this prompt that I generated for the banner art that I want. Note that at the very bottom I told ChatGPT the size it should be, and that I want the picture basically reside in this area. Now ChatGPT will automatically generate the image in a given size. It's not going to be the size that we need, but all I'm trying to do right now is to get ChatGPT to generate an image that is maybe closer to what I need, so that I don't have to modify it as much. And maybe I can try to show you some of that, but that may extend the video size or time, we'll see. So now we just hit submit. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. And this is a very, very tricky part of YouTube channel. I like to use, while that is loading, I like to use this app called Canva. It's free. It has some options that you have to pay for, but if we have to edit, that's the app that I will be using to move the image around so that it fits in the area that we want. Okay, so that is done. Here's the problem with this image. The image looks cool because my daughter is a right side hitter or setter. If you look at the image, she pretty much copied the uniform, and she looks a little bit like her, not a lot. Um, the problem with this image is if you load it, when someone goes to your channel from a phone, they're only gonna see basically her torso or maybe abdomen area. They're not gonna see her face or legs. So this is really not good for us. I'm going to try to modify the prompt slightly and see if it will fix it. So I'm going to pause the video for that. If not, I'm going to take it into that other tool to change its size. Okay, so after it generated the main image, I told it that basically, hey, look, I need some padding and background around that image because it must fit within this 1550 times 400 pixels slice, and basically it needs to be about 400 pixels high. And then it gave me this image. I don't like the white box around the image, so I just asked ChatGPT to eliminate the white box around the image. Now this one looks slightly better. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna fit in that slice that we need, but I just want to show you what it's gonna come out like. So let's come here, pick that last image. See what I'm telling you? It's not gonna work for us, but let me load it for now. See how in this section, when you log in from a TV, the entire image will be displayed, but for our purposes, it's not gonna look good. Let's publish it. Let's come here and refresh the page. It may take a little bit. Let's see. See, it doesn't fit. It's cutting her face. So let's edit this real quick to make it fit. Okay, so now I'm going to create a custom image in Canva. This is a free app in Google Play or Apple Store. You need to create one with this size, and as you can see, it all automatically brings the YouTube banner template. So we're going to create a new design. Now I'm going to be uploading the image that I just downloaded. So I'm just going to do that by dragging it in here. Let's stretch this a little bit. Now note how it's giving you the size, and we said we needed one that is 1550 by 430. I actually told ChatGPT by 400, not 430. So okay, let's come back to the app. So pretty much we need our image to fit within this small frame, and that's what we need to accomplish, and it's extremely hard because even if you try to move this picture around, as you can see, it doesn't really fit. So there's nothing we can do with that aside from having to manipulate that. See, And even if we get it as small as we can, it doesn't fit completely. But you can do something like this. Instead, for example, and set the background to something black. Then you can save this. So I'm just gonna name it YouTube Banner Art 1. Then come back here. I'm gonna change it, replace it with this one. See, now what we just did in that other app, this is what we're seeing now. Wrong one. So let's say once you're satisfied moving your picture around by editing the image in Canva, and this is exactly what you want, you hit done, then publish. Then you come to your channel and you have to refresh this page until you get the image that you uploaded. See? Now this is the empty background that we have because we just added a color black. But you can actually add another image behind this one. Where is it here? So now if you want, you can add a background to this image here. In this case, you see that there's like lighting and it looks like a little bit of smoke in the dark. It's not smoke, but it just looks smoky. Then we can come back to ChatGPT, for example, and ask ChatGPT to generate another image. Okay, so this is more or less what I'm asking. Just like a dark image with a little bit of smoke so that I can use it behind this image. Let's see what it comes up with. And if you don't like that, you can keep trying and ask ChatGPT, even though it has a limited number of images that it will provide. So hopefully the image that we get is dark and it has a little bit of faint like smoke. Oh yeah, perfect. So let's download this, come back to this, let's drag it in here, stretch it, and don't worry about the other image. I'm going to reposition this. We come here, we're gonna send it backward. Okay, so here it is. And this is just a basic basic steps on how to do this. Once you start doing your own, you can take as much time as you want, but for the purposes of this video, I just want to show you how I get this stuff done sometimes. Especially because these tools are so fast and you can do a lot without having to pay someone to do this for you. Okay. Now let's come back here. Let's change that with a new image. And it's really hard to tell because this is the rest of the background. This is what it's in on every mobile device. Let's publish this. And here you can see the smoke image that we just added. Okay, it looks like it's updating. Let's see if it did. Okay, now see it's not completely black. It has that image that we just added. So a lot of times I play with these images until I get it just right. If you prefer for this to be black like it was, just make it black. Otherwise, leave it as is. And this is okay for now. So whenever you get yours done, just make sure you spend enough time to get the image in the right spot. So I'm gonna leave this video here for now, and hopefully I will go over some other settings in the future, and maybe how to edit videos for shorts and how to upload some of them so that you can promote your daughter's volleyball skills in YouTube.